Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. Hope you guys are doing great. And in this particular video, we will continue our options learning journey. That is the strategy number 4. So in the previous session, I think we spoke about option strategy number 3. If you see in the video, if you go to our playlist, options trading beginners series, so you can search for Smart Trader and go to the playlist. So you have all the videos here one by one. You can learn from the basics. So we have reached option strategy 4 and we will continue slow and steady because a lot of beginners are just learning what are options and all these things. So you would have already seen theories and now understanding these type of theories and logics. And also you can do virtual trading, that is like paper trading you can do. I will tell you how. That will help a lot of them. So if you not watched long straddle, just watch out long straddle, so you will get a rough idea what long straddle is, and then a short straddle is going to be easy. So short straddle. So first let's see what is the theory, because this is a basic thing which you need to understand. See, a short straddle consists of one short call, okay, and one short put. Basically CE and PE you are selling, okay, not buying. In long we were buying, in short we are basically selling. So selling both the put and the call, okay. Both option have the same underlying stock. When I say same underlying stock, it can be Reliance or whichever stock, or it can be index also. Nifty Bank or Nifty are indexes. So same index. Let's say if I'm shorting Nifty, both should be Nifty call option, Nifty put option, and the same strike price, so that I cannot take a different strike price. If I'm selling 16,000 strike price, then both should be 16,000 call, 16,000 put, and the expiry date also should be same. So whichever weekly expiry or monthly expiry, based on that you need to take the date, same date for both these. So that was more about the theory, but how does it look in practical? So I'm using Sensible to show you an example. Actually in Sensible I am using this strategy builder, which are actually a paid one, the virtual trade strategy builder. So if you don't have in the future, when you want to learn, you want to do even your paper trading live in the market, so you take this, create your strategy here with the built-in strategy thing and see the probability and everything, and you can hit a order, okay. You can hit a virtual trade order or directly trade into your account, okay, whichever broker you take the membership, and you can practice. So in your P&L it will be showing what are the trades you have taken, your profit and your losses and all that stuff. All right, so if you don't have this Sensible, in case you want to take Sensible any day in the future, you can click the link in the video description. There is a special offer. So if you click the link, you get this particular page of Sensible, that is nothing but with a special offer given to Smart Trader members, right from Sensible to Smart Trader YouTube channel. This is the offer given to our subscribers. All right. So keeping that in mind, you are getting at 8,499, you're getting 12 months plus 4 months free you're getting, or for 6 months 2 months free you are getting. So regularly if you go directly to Sensible, you can go and check out also. You don't get this offers only for Smart Trader members. They are giving this offers. Whoever using the link of Smart Trader, they will be getting this offer. So the link is in the video description. Click and open anytime in future. So now coming back to the strategy. So this is how the strategy looks like as per theory. What did they say? Saying this using the same underlying stock or index. So I'm using Nifty. Nifty same strike price 16,350, 16,350. Put option, call option, example one lot. So this is the one which they are going to short. Okay. So this is the strategy, basically very simple. If you don't know, if you don't know, you want to learn how these things are working, if you're getting confused, things are very easy today. Come here, ready-made strategy, bullish, bearish and neutral. Here you have short straddle. Click on short straddle, automatically it will populate. If you want to take a trade, you can give directly take a trade, or you want to practice virtual trade. If you're a beginner, I would suggest you practice virtual trade, because when we used to learn, we have lost money. So when this virtual trade is something which helps you to experiment new things. So use this, experiment things in virtual trade, and you will realize the power of options trading. How things are going wrong against you, how things are going correct. Analyze it, and then in the future, whenever you are confident, then only you go for trade, I would suggest. So virtual trade is a very good thing in my experience. So that's the reason I'm telling you. So try to take virtual trade and practice in the real market. Real portfolio updates will be happening with real time market. And now what is the strategy? So basically for selling you need more money, not like buying. So for example, if I put this as buying, you see you hardly need 6,600 rupees, but for selling you need to give additional margin. So overall you need around 1,18,000 rupees. and you will get only 6,000 rupees as your profit, right? The buyers, how much they gave, that is the maximum net premium they have given, right? That is the money which you can hit maximum if you stay within this. So this strategy is a neutral strategy. What is this? Neutral strategy. You're not bullish, you're not bearish. That's what I told you. I don't see directions in selling. I keep it neutral. Now this is the plain vanilla strategy. No, nothing mix has been done, no adjustments have been done. Basic one, what we learn and what I learned in the book, this is the strategy. Okay. And now it has to stay within this levels, that is 16,218 and 16,482. Like for example, if I click on Nifty, now correctly Nifty is here, right? 16,355. It is saying that it should not go about this 218 and 482. It should stay within these two range. So 482 level somewhere here, somewhere around 480 levels I'll just give roughly, and 80 levels. Okay. So according to the strategy, it should stay within 0.8% this side and 0.75% that side. So overall, it should stay within this period by the time of expiry. Now here expiry is almost today is Wednesday, end of the day. So tomorrow is the last day, Thursday expiry. So it is saying 0 days to expiry. So in case, still tomorrow is there, in case this one, tomorrow by 3 o'clock or 3:15, whatever the expiry time is, the end of the day market, if it stays within this range, you make 6,148. But if it moves even little 0.5%, maximum you can make is 2,967 rupees. Okay, so the highest is 6,600 is what it is saying. But if it doesn't stay in this range, then you will incur loss. Now let's say if it went 1%, then you are incurring loss of 1,700. The time of expiry 5,200. Okay, so on and unlimited. So you have a unlimited loss here, but profit is limited. Okay, so that is the thing. Now there are many other strategies also where you may thinking, okay, this gap is too small. Yes, you can increase the gap, not a problem. But let's say you did like this, the probability also went up, right? And you see the gap has increased, but profit will decrease. Okay, so that is the challenge here, and the probability is increasing, and we call it some other strategy. So don't worry, short strangle strategy. But anyways, we will learn now short straddle. So for short straddle, we need same strike price. I'm just keeping 16,350. Okay, and probability is comparatively lesser. If you see here, 45% only. And generally, what happens on an expiry day, there's a last day of expiry. So a lot of them take chances with short straddle, because in a single day they are expecting the Nifty doesn't move more than these percentage. But if there is 2-3 days for expiry, then this is going to be, chances are reducing. That is when you will go with other strategy, short strangle and stuff. But for short straddle, this is the method where you get maximum profit comparatively. If you change this to a different strike price, to increase this gap, like I showed you, the profit will decrease. So it is basically like 5 to 6% projected profit you will get max to max, right? You will be getting so much of profit, which is a very good number. When the capital increases, obviously the percentage also is great. And yes, your prediction is non-directional, whether it will go this side or this side, you're making money. But if it goes more than that level, that's when you make loss. So you should know that, okay, if stock has a tendency to stay within this range, so if you're good at this analysis, you will be able to make money in short straddle. So you would have been seeing me using short straddle and short strangle also, that we will come in the coming days. But for shorting, I am non-directional. That's the reason you see neutral strategies. And I do adjustments also, that we will learn later as and when you get experienced in this. Okay, so that is very simple. In a simple terms, I'm just explaining you. So when you take these trades manually, also you can type in your system, or if you are practicing, just hit virtual trade here and practice every day. So this is the maximum DK you will get on each 72 rupees or 60 rupees, whichever side it goes. You can take advantage. If it stays in between, then you get advantage from both the end. All right. So that was more about this options selling strategy. That is strategy number 4, which is one of the most used, one among the most used strategy among option sellers. They use this strategy very often. On Thursdays, you can see a lot of them using this strategy. So tomorrow is Thursday. Keep an eye on a lot of traders. keeping this. Few traders will keep a small margin. Like I told you, they don't keep exactly the straddle like this. They just keep a difference of strike price and it becomes a strangle. So on expiry day, they keep the strangle very close, and they try to take advantage because there is a last day of expiry, and it gets the decay happens faster on the last day. So observe tomorrow the same thing and practice. And if you're not watched other videos also, I would recommend you to go and watch all the option videos so you get a rough idea how options work. See you soon with one more learning video. Till then, take care, stay safe.